Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 6. 1. If a person sees a wise man who reproaches him for his faults, who shows what is to be avoided, he should follow such a wise man as he would a revealer of hidden treasures. It fares well and not ill with one who follows such a man. 2. Let him admonish, let him instruct, let him restrain from the impure. He becomes beloved of the good and hated by the evil. 3. One should not associate with friends who are evil-doers nor with persons who are despicable. Associate with friends who are virtuous, associate with the best of men. 4. He who drinks in the law lives happily with a serene mind. The wise man ever rejoices in the law made known by the elect, or the Aryas. 5. Engineers who build canals and aqueducts, lead the water wherever they like, fletchers make the arrow straight, carpenters carve the wood, wise people discipline themselves. 6. As a solid rock is not shaken by the wind, so wise men are not moved amidst blame and praise. 7. Even as a deep lake is clear and calm, so also wise men become tranquil after they have listened to the laws. 8. Good people walk on whatever happens to them. Good people do not prattle, yearning for pleasures. The wise do not show variation, elation or depression, whether touched by happiness or else by sorrow. 9. He who, for his own sake or for the sake of another, does not wish for a son or wealth or a kingdom, if he does not wish for his own prosperity by unfair means, he certainly is virtuous, wise, and religious. 10. Few amongst men are those who reach the farther shore *. The other people here run along this shore. Note: the other shore, farther shore, stands for life eternal, nirvana, this shore for earthly life, samsara. 11. But those who, when the law has been well preached to them, follow the law, will pass to the other shore, beyond the dominion of death which is difficult to overcome. 12. Let the wise man leave the way of darkness and follow the way of light. After going from his home to a homeless state, that retirement so hard to love. 13. Let him there look for enjoyment. Putting away all pleasures, calling nothing his own, let the wise man cleanse himself from all the impurities of the heart. 14. Those whose minds are well grounded in the 7 elements of enlightenment, who without clinging to anything rejoice in freedom from attachment, whose appetites have been conquered, who are full of light, attain nirvana in this world.